Hello everyone. So, welcome again. I'm Mahendra Kumar Ikhar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, St. Thomas College, Bhilai. So today we are going to learn about the basics of contract costing. As the word clears, contract is basically a agreement or you can say a written or some kinds oral agreement between two parties, one party who gives the contract and another party who accepts the contract. That's why it is known as a part of specific order costing method, where work is performed as per the requirement or specification of the customer or contractee. The customer is known as contractee and the person who accepts the contract is known as contractor. We can take an example of constructing a building. That building government wants to construct and the government gives advertisement in the newspaper. So all those parties who are in the business of construction, they put their applications to construct that building, and those applications are in general known as tenders, which includes all the details of construction of that building and material and other things. And once the government finalized a particular person or a institution or a company for giving the contract, so the government will be known as contractee and the person or a company or the association will be known as contractor. Moving towards the features of contract costing, the work on contract is performed at the contract site. There will be a specific location to perform the contract. Say for example, constructing a house on a land, construction of a building, for example school, college, hospital, or some kinds of bigger constructions like say construction of highways, construction of a dam, construction of a multi-story building. So that location will be known as contract site. The size of the contract may be large and it may take more than one accounting year to get completed. Every contract is a separate unit for cost determination. Like if a construction company is constructing a building, a dam and a highway, so the building will include another contract, the say highway will include another contract, and so on. And contract is done for specific consideration. That consideration is generally known as contract price, which is decided at very initial in the conversation between the contractee and the contractor. Now these are the two sides explanation of contract account, as it is a account and it's based on double entry system. So we have the debit side and the credit side. Debit side includes all those informations who are imposed or charged in particular contract, say material, labor, expenses, overheads or indirect expenses, plant and machinery, subcontract cost, extra work done. And items of credit side are material returned to supplier, returned to store. These are the material at the end, contract being completed, incomplete, sale of materials, or material being lost or destroyed. So the basic difference between debit side and credit side is debit side includes all those things which are actually charged, used, or given as input in the contract, and the credit side includes all those informations which are being left at the end of the contract. sometimes the contract is not completed in one accounting year, so that contract account is credited as work in progress account, and under that we have two informations: work certified and work uncertified. Work certified is basically known as the work is completed and approved by the engineer, and work uncertified is that portion of completed work which is not certified by the engineer. And also the credit side includes the information related to material and plant which is not used till the end of the contract or till the end of the financial year. So these are the informations, and in the next video we will going to discuss the numerical problems of contract account. Thank you.